Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving into what you can do with the Lightworks free version, and we're gonna do it in about 2 minutes. You might be wondering, what can I actually do with it? The good news is the free version is incredibly powerful. It gives you access to all the core editing features found in the paid versions. That means you can cut, trim, add transitions, apply effects, adjust audio, the works. So what are the limitations? Primarily export resolution. You're limited to exporting at 720p resolution. This is perfect for sharing on platforms like YouTube, but not ideal for high-definition projects or professional deliverables. Secondly, you'll have a limited selection of audio and video effects compared to the paid versions. While you still have a good range to play with, some more advanced options might be locked. Finally, you'll have fewer supported video formats for both import and export. This means you might encounter some compatibility issues with certain files, and you'll have less flexibility in your export options. For example, you might not be able to export to certain professional formats like ProRes or AVCHD. But here's the key takeaway. The free version is an incredible resource for learning. You can master the interface, experiment with different editing techniques, and even create complete 720p projects for YouTube or online sharing. If you need higher resolution exports, more effects, or wider format support, consider upgrading to a paid version. But for beginners and those looking to explore the power of Lightworks, the free version is an excellent starting point. Thanks for watching! Don't forget to like and subscribe for more Lightworks tips and tutorials.